Yesterday was snowing and rain and grey, and look at today. Sunrise, sunset, sunshine, blue skies, beautiful. The mountain tops still a little whitening, a nice feature. What a joyful day today. Today it's been since yesterday. All I got was the weather fronts, all kinds of weather. Storms, winds, rain, and then winds, then a bit of clear sky, and then snow, a bit of clear sky, snow. As you can see at the very far, the mountain tops are completely covered. I don't know if you can see it. Not the McDonald's, it's something else just on the far side. Just incredible, absolutely incredible day. Look at the skies today. Pumping up, baby.